Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the case study of visual design and communication. So we have chosen the case study about Spotify Unwrapped, which is personalized visual storytelling. So here our team are going to demonstrate about how they have been analyzed each and every stages. Here we go.
Yeah, in this scenario, my role is design research analyst, and I will be analyzing how the Spotify wrap of the user will be converted into a visually engaging video consisting of animation, different branding, and also colors, typography, and all those elements combined and give the users a visual treat like watching a video that is edited by on their likes and likes of the songs that they hear regularly, what are the colors used, and this helps me to increase my analyzing and researching technique, and also I will be giving the total report of the design, how the design principles can be used to engage the users, gain visual effect of that ending wrap. And also I will be giving that whole report on based on what are the principles can be used, what are the colors and typography and branding. So I will be doing that, and it helps me to increase my research and analytics part.
So here, as he said, research is foremost important for each and every situation. So that's what we covered. Next, we are going to see about the colors and typography.
My role is color and typography design. I analyze the visual elements used throughout the Spotify wrap campaign. I observe the use of bright color combinations, gradients, and bold typography to capture attention. I studied how contrasting colors improve readability and visual appeal. I examined how font size and hierarchy guide users through each story scene. I compared different nearly wrapped assigns to understand the evolution of Spotify's visual identity. My analysis showed that consistent branding strengthens users' recognition. This experience enhanced my knowledge of color theory and the typography in communications design.
So colors is very most important. So we have seen so many posters and advertisement which actually attracts the visual. So visual is very important. That's what he said.
So from the given scenario, I am the information and layout designer. My task will be to examine how Spotify presents user data in a visually engaging format. I will study the layout of story screens, including the placements of the text, images, and icons. I will identify how visual hierarchy directs users' attention to important information. The design techniques used to simplify complex data will be carefully analyzed. Based on these analyses, I will develop sample layouts for art prototypes. My work will contribute to creating a clear and user-friendly visual experience. This activity will strengthen my layout design and information visualization skills.
As she said that layout design is highly important to improve visualization thoughts and processes. That's what she said.
From the given scenario, I am a user experience evaluator. My responsibility will be to evaluate the overall user experience of Spotify brand. I will gather feedback from users who have experienced content. The evaluation will focus on personalization, navigation, and user engagement. I will identify the feature that makes the storytelling experience interactive and memorable. Recommendation for improving our prototype will be documented. The evaluation findings will help the team enhance usability. This task will improve my understanding of user-centered design principles.
Yes. As all these first three members discuss about the visuals and colors and typography things, it is also important, but most importantly, we need the user experience. That's what she said. User experience is the foremost thing. Without user experience, it's completely incomplete.
My role is visual communication presenter. At first, I have prepared a presentation and that shows how Spotify wrapped communicates information visually. Then, explore colors, typography, icons, and the animations that creates a design that uses and tells a story. Then Spotify Wrapped shares the users with personalized content which is connected to them emotionally. And then Spotify Wrapped campaign success that encourages users and make them to share it on the social media is the result of it. Then I have answered the questions and we discussed about the communication strategy. Then I explained them as what is the relation between design and user engagement. Here I include my communication and presentation skills.
So, as after user experience, the next important thing is communication and the presentation, the way we present it to attract the user's communications.
So in this situation, if I was a creative director, I will have to coordinate all the activities between the entire team. I will then assign the responsibilities best to the interest and expertise of each team member. As a creative director, I will also monitor their progress and also note it down and ensure that the design objectives are achieved as mentioned. The review will be done on basis of branding, user experience, and storytelling. And also, I'll take initiative with the presentation and to complete the documentation. I feel that this role will give me and it will also enhance my leadership, coordination, and project management ideas.
So on the whole, all these students are demonstrated how the Spotify Unwrapped personalized visual storytelling will be combined to form a very perfect picture one. So that's what they have been separated each and every team like work, and they on the whole they combine to form a well personalized storytelling app. This Spotify Unwrapped, which is right now globally being utilizing by all over the world, and it is very popular nowadays. So thank you students for demonstrating such a wonderful case study about the Spotify brand. Thank you.